RatPigs go squeak oink.
Oh, you bought a cute little blanket.
Hey Squeak Oink YouTube, welcome back to Panther's Garage. Well, we're going to try to work on that starter again. I got myself a, what's this thing? Design Engineering Incorporated thermal blanket that should fit around the starter. It's part number 010402 and it's 7" by 24. I know that this is just a band-aid. I should really fix the problem, which is of course the exhaust leak, but as I stated in my last video, that can be a real headache and tough to get through. Trust me, I've been down that road before. So we'll leave it the way it is. Hopefully this thermal blanket will work. And like I said, if it doesn't, the car always starts again after 10 minutes or so, 15 minutes at the most, cooling down. So it's really not a super bad issue, and I can just deal with it. So without further ado, let's get the car cover off, take off the negative on the battery, because this thing's got what appears to be a metallic substance on it, and I don't want to short anything out while I'm down there. And we'll get up on jack stands again like we did when we pulled the starter. Hopefully I can get this on without having to pull the starter off, but we'll see. Alright, let's get to it. Eight millimeter. Aluminum wire. We're going to try to use this, secure it on there. So there's the final product. Alright, final verdict on the thermal blanket for the starter. It seems to be working alright. I took the car out for a nice long hard drive today, about 25 minutes. did quite a few full throttle runs in second and third gear. Brought it back, parked it in the garage, turned it off, started right back up again. So the Band-Aid seems to be working for now. I'm happy with that. I'm not afraid to take it out anywhere and worry about screwing up at a stoplight and accidentally stalling it and then not being able to get it started again. I think I'm good there. So again, thanks for watching the video. Do the YouTube thing if you want to. If you don't. You guys have a good day. I'll see y'all later.